A huge tree fell on a moving Maruti vehicle with the number of TR03H0398. With that, the vehicle got damaged and consequently the driver Biplop Mall was injured. The fire service personnel has taken Biplop Mall to the Shanti Bazar hospital. Incident took place in front of Shanti Bazar Forest Office on Saturday afternoon. A huge tree fell on a moving Maruti vehicle with the number of TR03H0398 in front of Shanti Bazar Forest Office on Saturday afternoon, while the vehicle was going towards Bilonia from Shanti Bazar while it was raining. With that, the vehicle got damaged and consequently the driver Biplop Mall was injured. The fire service personnel has taken Biplop Mall to Shanti Bazar Hospital. A branch of a tree was broke and fallen inside the vehicle. However, other people inside the vehicle were fortunately unharmed and escaped from the injury.
আমি পুরো বসে আছিলাম
ফরেস্ট অফিসে চাকরি করেন নাকি?
না 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 আমি একটা কাজে আছিলাম অফিসে দেখতেছি ফট করে একটা আওয়াজ হয়েছে এই যে গাছন একটা ভেঙে বসছে আমরা সবাই দৌড়ে গেলাম আর কি।
এখন কি দেখছেন?
এখন ফায়ার সার্ভিস আসছে, তারা আইছে একটা শুধু সিঙ্গেল গাড়িতে সিঙ্গেলে একজন ড্রাইভার সহ নার্ভাস হয়ে গেছে আর কি, এমনি ক্ষতি হয়েছে না, গাড়িটা ক্ষতি হয়েছে আর কি।
After the incident, the local people has demanded to remove all the fallen tree branches from the road as soon as possible. Reported by Bikram from Shanti Bazar, Chini, Khorang.